मोपा विमानतळाबरोबर दाबोळे विमानतळ चालूच आसतलो। दाबोळे विमानतळ पुराय गोंयची पर्यटन वेवस्था आसरीत आसा, म्हणटकर बंद जावपाचो प्रश्नच येना। मोपा आनी दाबोळी हे गोंया खातीर तितलेच महत्वाचे विमानतळ आसा म्हण मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकार आनी कांय आमदारांनी मत उक्तायला। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान संजय मुनोली।
Airport will remain operational even after MOPA starts. Dabolim operational uttalo MOPA start zale उपरांत पासून ते important. Domestic flights and even international flights landing at MOPA and Dabolim continue urpak जाय, like flights from Dubai, flights from Kuwait and other countries जे येतात ते उरपाक जाय, and especially charter flight should land in Dabolim only and not in MOPA, so that balancing जावपाक जाय नॉर्थ गोवा आनी सावथ गोवा। नॉर्थ गोवाच्या लोकांकूय बिजनस येवपाक जाय, सावथ गोवाच्या लोकांकूय बिजनस येवपाक जाय। फायनली ऑल गोवन्स आर वन।
हांव आनी मायकल बर्मडा आमी बारीक लोकांची चिंतपी। आमी आज आमी गोंयकारपण राखतलो जाय तूं टॅक्सीवाल्यांक आनी शेकवाल्यांक येवले गोंयकारपण म्हणटे तांकां आमी सांबाळपाक जाय, आनी ताका लागून म्हाका एअरपोर्टीक जाय आशिल्लो। दुसरो इकॉनॉमीक सारकें प्रॉब्लेम जावपाचें, इतली 5 स्टार हॉटेल काबार जावपाची, सगळो लोक आमी अनएम्प्लॉय जावपाचो। सो ताका लागून आज पट्टी लेटर मेळ्ळें, हांव सारको खुशाल जालो। हांव सॅटिस्फायड हांव लेटर आहा म्हणून खंय ना म्हाका हायलांत ना म्हणल्यार आमच्यान फटाफट वचपाक दिलें। ओके कळ्ळें तुका ती बेश्टी मागीर ना लेटर। सिवील एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री पळय म्हणटा ती थिंगा आसता, मिनिस्टर येतले वयतले, प्रायम मिनिस्टर येतले वयतले।
If Daboli stops, South Goa collapses. This government is a government for the whole of Goa. We are from South Goa.
No, if Dabolim stops, you oppose?
No, we will never allow Daboli to stop. We are firm on this. And everything what I have said up to now, everything what I have said, which is part of the common minimum program, has been implemented.
Considering the tourist flow in next 10 years, I personally feel both the airport will run fully. Whatever thought has been given while constructing the Mopa airport, I personally feel there will be almost say about 287 flights per day will come in Goa. We required both the airports, and that is what I personally feel we shall make arrangement of both the airports for the touristic importance and the passengers of the this particular state.
It was always there. I only produced it for him. So he wants it on record. So I gave him the copy of that. And secondly, that is a part of our tender. So there is no need to worry. Daboli will remain.